some of the deals that were heavy value add, a lot of those were purchased and taken care of in this last upswing. A lot of operators are coming in and turning properties over, increasing the value of them. If you're a residential real estate agent earning $200,000 a year and you want to grow your passive income, this show's for you. Learn the secrets other agents use and hear from experts in our field in order to guide you along your journey to investing in assets like apartment communities so that you can turn your commissions into cash flow. I'm Randall DeCleared. Let's go, baby. All right. Welcome back. Randall DeCleared here. Good to have you on today. Today, I want to talk about what's happening in the market, what I'm seeing out there, just to kind of touch base and touch up. We're in Q1 of 23. So what I've been seeing out in the market and what I think is driving some of the real estate market on the multifamily side in the Texas market specifically, I just want to speak to that. So going into Q4, interest rates have been rising, and it seems as though a lot of sellers were hesitant to list their properties because they weren't getting the price points or the broker opinion of value that they were hoping for based on rising interest rates and debt being very difficult to secure to make some deals make sense, make some multifamily transactions make sense. And so fewer properties were hitting the market. A lot of buyers still looking. A lot of people want to get into the game and want to be acquiring deals. And so it has been a slow beginning of the year. But again, I feel like there's some demand there. And I know a lot of the groups that I'm in, everyone's still looking. Everybody's underwriting deals. Everybody's looking and hoping and then waiting for some stabilization in the sense that we know that the rates are either going to stop going up or they're going to stay where they are or something, right? So we're in this pricing discovery phase where sellers are going to come to market and know the price point based on the debt markets, right? That's kind of where we are. And so we're hunting and constantly underwriting deals, and we are putting some offers in right now. And again, we are below typically what brokers' opinions of the values are, just based on the slower rent growth and some of the deals that were heavy value add. A lot of those were purchased and taken care of in this last upswing. A lot of operators are coming in and turning properties over, increasing the value of them.
We're proud to be sponsored by Ridgeline Investment Group. Ridgeline has a track record of transacting more than $53 million in assets throughout Texas. Ridgeline is currently looking to acquire 100 to 200 unit Class B multifamily communities between 5 and 20 million in San Antonio, Temple, Waco, Tyler, and other Texas secondary markets. To learn more about Ridgeline Investment Group, visit www.ridgelineig.com.
And so my sentiment is that the number of deals that need a heavy lift are fewer. More will be coming up as the age of the remodel gets a little bit older. They'll need to be remodeled again. And once we get out of this interest rate environment or the challenging debt market. And so that's kind of what I'm seeing. I've been talking to a lot of brokers. I feel like there's going to be inventory coming online. There are sellers that need to sell, and for various reasons, their loan is coming due or their interest only period is going to end and their interest rate may be going up because they're on a floating rate. So a lot of factors are contributing to deals that should be coming onto the market. And so we're waiting and we're underwriting and we're looking and we're honing our skills, and we're constantly out talking to brokers and the debt teams in the market so that we can be positioned and ready to go when we find a deal that really makes sense and we can win those deals. So that's what I'm seeing in the market right now. And I'm excited for the deals to start making more sense. So that should be coming, and stay tuned. If you are not on our mailing list, if you're not getting any of the opportunities as they come out, go over to www.ridgelineig.com. If you have any questions, you want to talk to me directly, just email me, Randall, RANDAL, at ridgelineig.com. Happy to chat with you and catch up, answer any questions you have, and kind of walk you through the process and what it looks like to invest. So have a great day, and catch you on the next episode.
Surprisingly, most of the agents we speak with got into real estate hoping to gain passive income and become work optional. However, only 1 in 5 ever start investing. Most are simply too afraid to start. Once you get educated by listening to this show, you'll be able to overcome that fear and become the 1 in 5 who are finding financial freedom. don't miss a single episode. If you want to stay up to date, the best way is to make sure you're subscribed. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do it now. And we'll catch you on the next episode.